Today I went into a retail store and I wanted to see what the chair bags on the market look like because I get all these phone calls from people who tell me that they've used a retail store chair bag and they fall apart. And when I tell them that my chair bag's lasting 6 to 10 years, they're really amazed. Well, I want to tell you why they're lasting 6 to 10 years. When you go into a retail store and you look at the chair bags, and here are 3 different ones that I found. One is $15.95, $14.99, and then $10.95 are the different prices that I found. Well, on one, this one is a $16 chair bag, and if you look, the seams are just a single stitch seam, and there's not any reinforcement. And I mean, this is brand new, and look, it's already starting to come apart where they stitched it right here. When you have the joints, this chair bag, they just go back and forth with the sewing machine and zigzag it. See, it's just a zigzag stitch. That's it. But you've got your raw edges on the inside. When you look at these pockets, there's not anything here. There's just nothing. So that's what you get. And when you start putting heavy-duty stuff in it, and the kids are using them, they're not going to last very long. So that's that chair bag. And it was a $16 chair bag. Okay. Here is another one. It was $14.99. And it has the same single stitching. It's just stitched this way, and they just go back and forth with their sewing machine. And that's all you get. I mean, it's just, they've got a piece of binding on this, but that's what the way it is. It's just stitched, and then the binding's just cut off here. It's not finished or anything. So your reinforcement on the side is the binding, but look how it's made, and this is just, I don't know, it's kind of like it's just a coated plastic. So that's what you get with this chair bag, and that just kind of blows my mind. All right, then this is the other one, and this one was $10.95, and it's just another lightweight material. There's a string here, and it's just stitched back and forth. There's nothing else to keep it reinforced. That's it, and it's just a single stitch. So when you look at this, you think, oh my goodness, how long is that going to last? So these are just purchases. And my biggest thing now is that I'm telling everybody these are investments, because we use denim, because I have found out denim is the strongest material that you can use. There's not a single edge at all in this chair bag. It is just, it's serged. That's that machine where it goes along the edge. Then we put binding on it. And then we bar tack the edge of the binding down. This is a bar tack stitch. If you can see it, I'll go on the inside of the pocket. See, that's a bar tack. We bar tack here where this joint is. We bar tack this joint, that joint, the joints on the back. Everything is bar tacked on this chair bag. So you're not going to get any raw edges, not even in there. And that's why these chair bags are lasting 6 to 10 years. So I want you to get your money's worth, and I don't want you to have to replace them every year. And even if your school puts them in their activity fee, these are great for the parents to have for years and years and years. And I even have people that pass them down to their other children. So I just wanted to compare chair bags, because it's so important, because your teachers spend so much money out of your pocket, and plus the schools have all had cut budgets, and I just want you to get what you pay for, and it's quality. So give us a shot. We'd appreciate it. Thank you.